Yeah.
If you could
All right.
tartar grill, I would have eaten that.
All right. So, gentlemen, thank you for being here. It's a long time coming. What I realized with the three of us is that we have one thing in common. We have many things in common. But the cool thing is that we've all been on the Food Network at some given time. Cutthroat Kitchen is one of them, and then we've all been on our different segments. But enough with that. We all have Haitian heritage.
Yes.
We've done so many different cool things with Haitian food, so it's cool to have us here, and we'll just talk and have a conversation about food and whatever else we want to have a conversation about. All right. So, Chef Alain.
Yes, sir. Thanks for having me, man. It's a pleasure. We've spoken about this a long time ago, and finally we were able to sit down and chop it up, right?
Speaking of chop it up,
You've
been a chop.
Yes.
Chef Alain, you've been a chop also.
Yes.
As I'm flipping the bolo de Rolo, I'm realizing that I underestimated how much sugar it had in it. So the caramelization that I was looking for was a little bit over, a little burned. At this point, I just gotta keep going.
So me, unlike Chef Jouvens, I decided to go to the streets. You know, she's always calling me, so I decided to go to the streets.
All right.
Right. So I'm gonna do a little marinade, or AKA fritter.
All right.
With shrimp. So traditionally our marinades are made with either just the seasoning and stuff like that, or some chicken in it.
Okay.
And some people put also alasaw in it too, right?
Alasaw is herring.
smoked
Yeah.
herring, right? But I wanted to do a little fancy. You know, I'm dealing with chefs. So growing up in Haiti, even when I got a little older during high school, that one of the things that I used to love to eat that now I try to stay away from it is fritai. Right? So
Tell us about fritai. All right, fritai.
fritai, man. For those who don't know, fritai, aka frying, pretty much. That's fritai means frying, right? Fry. So it's a combination of different meats or root vegetables that we deep fry, right?
All right.
And you just you have griot, you know, pork shoulder, you have bun, plantains, the boniatos, chicken, whatever it is that you fry, pate corde, akra, all that stuff, right? So
stick to your ribs soul food, the real soul food.
Every Friday, man, we used to just get together,
Right.
and then order food, man.
Okay.
With my friends, and then we would sit by the streets.
All right.
Right, and just eating. Well, we're not at the age to drink yet. Wink. So,
Wink. Oh, we're in Haiti. We're in the Caribbean. It's
right, but you know, so we're having fun, man. You know, young guys just enjoying life. Oh, this is a little similar to what you have, my little spice blend, right? So I'm just gonna add this to it. And just have some water.
So what we have over here?
So
I know this guy. This is staple.
Yes, lemon. We have lemon. In Haiti, we use limes. We use the green ones more. That's why we grow in Haiti. You know, fresh thyme, parsley, and then of course the Scotch bonnet peppers.
Scotch
right?
bonnet is. Yeah. So meanwhile, all right. So we're all on Cutthroat Kitchen at some point, right? So run us through that. What was Cutthroat Kitchen like for you?
Okay, so Cutthroat Kitchen.
I went to your watch party, by the way.
Yeah. Cutthroat Kitchen, man, that was my first experience on a competition to that level, right?
Okay, all right.
Funny thing is, we did Le Chef right after.
Okay.
Right?
All right. But Haiti's Le Chef is Haiti's version of Iron Chef.
Iron Chef, yes, right. So, let me get that, please.
All right.
So, when I did Cutthroat, we spoke about it.
Okay.
Remember when I called you and I said, yo, I know I'm not supposed to tell people that, but we're not supposed to post about it. At least we can talk about it. I'm like, bro, I know we're not supposed to talk too much about it, but this, and I remember because you did yours,
Right,
and I said,
right.
yo, what advice can you give me? And then you gave me the advice, and I'm like, yo, I'm taking that to the bank. And when I got I got there on stage and everything, bro, the nerves just started kicking in. And like Ivan says, you're not just doing it for yourself.
Right.
You have this entire community
You got the
who's
whole
very
thing behind
picky.
you. It's
Right?
Yeah.
You have these Haitians who are very picky and very demanding.
Let me tell you, man. Let me tell you. The one thing that was going on through my mind during my competition is what my people are gonna say about me.
Bruh.
You know, the whole movement of things, and I'm like, you know, I don't want to screw this one up because I know they're gonna tell me about it. Of
Yeah.
course. You know?
Of course.
That's it, man. Like that was a main thing. Yo, don't fuck it up. Don't fuck it up. Don't fuck it up. Don't go out the first round. Don't go out the first round.
So your marinade.
Yes.
So you got shrimp. You
Shrimp.
got your seasoning in there.
Yeah.
You
And
got
then,
chopped cilantro.
I have parsley. Oh, that was cilantro. That was parsley. Parsley,
Alright, so you got parsley.
thyme, the spice blend, Scotch bonnet pepper, and then the shrimp. Right.
All right.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lightly add a little bit of lime juice on the shrimp. You know, you gotta.
No, I'm excited
You
to
gotta
taste this
season.
one.
You gotta season the layers, right? So
Right.
that's what they teach us.
All right.
And then I'm using soft rising flour, just because I'm not a big fan of baking. So like measuring those little. Like,
You're not a big fan of baking.
There's baking powder, baking soda. Like nah, like. This is heaven on earth for me,
Okay,
because
all
it already has everything it needs to get it fluffy and stuff. So it's just a matter of getting that right consistency.
Okay.
So it's pretty much, I tell people that you want your batter to be a little thicker than a pancake batter.
Okay. So a
Right.
little bit thicker than
Little
the pancake
thicker.
batter.
Yeah.
All right. So you got the fritters frying.
Yes,
right?
I got for frying. So you want them to be golden brown, you know,
Okay.
and stuff like that, and pretty much just letting the fryer do its work,
Okay.
right? And
That's pretty cool.
and
Look how
not,
bubbly that looks.
yeah, you don't want to mess around with it.
Chef Ivan, so you are the owner of Ivan's
Cookhouse.
Cookhouse. Tell us about that.
Oh, Cookhouse, is a restaurant that, I put together about 7-8 years ago. When I put this restaurant together, it's because I feel like the Haitian community needs something where they could come, enjoy the ambiance, enjoy the food, enjoy the whole scenery of what a restaurant and a community should look like. That's what I created the Ivan's Cookhouse, And for the past 8 years, I've been creating this restaurant. I have a lot of different folks coming to the restaurant. We talk about non-Haitian, Haitian, people traveling from all over the world who come in. And again, besides that, after, I went chop.
So you won, Chop.
So,
All right.
oh, yeah, I have to let them know that.
I have this Haitian buddy. He's taken me to these outrageous restaurants in Miami, but here I am in North Miami. This is Ivan's Cookhouse.
Salmon, let's go.
My favorite restaurant in the whole city.
Prepare for go pick up on the windows.
Chef Ivan is amazing.
That's because since 2015, owner and chop champion Ivan Dorvil
Thank you.
has been dishing out the culinary cornucopia he grew up with.
The history of Haiti. You got French, you got Spanish, you got Indian, you got African, you got all those spices combined. Pick up a honey glazed salmon.
He's a great chef.
It reminds me of Haiti. That's why I keep coming back.
It's delicious, man. You've delivered. Your little island paradise.
That's it.
Well done, buddy.
Thank you, Kai. Thank you. Chop champion, they have to do that. So after I went chop, so what that chop does for me, is bring a lot of people from all over the world to my restaurant.
Oh, that's pretty
from
cool.
Africa to Asia to all over, and this is what keep the restaurant still going up this day. Is because of what Food Network, being a champion, of course, and bring to the restaurant. So I have to let that up there.
What was going on through your mind when you were on Chop?
I almost peed myself. I almost peed myself, for sure. For sure, I almost peed myself. And I said, I have to hold back. But but the thing is, I have to hold back. Of course, I have a warrior type of a mindset when I'm on this type of show.
Yeah.
So I went there just, thinking, I have to win the show.
Okay, so you told us grill burger. All right, what does this consist of? Because I'm super excited right now.
First of all, we have to, when you talk about grill, the best part of the pork to make a grill, as we all know, is the pork shoulder.
Pork shoulder, true.
The pork shoulder.
True. By the way, my best grill for me is not in Kinskov. My best grill that I had that was super exciting was on my way to
the beach?
No, to Jacques Mel. Oh, yo,
On the street.
on the street.
The best.
We had this grill that, and it was like 10 o'clock in the morning that we were heading up to the mountain, right where you start climbing up the mountain. And
Oh shit, I tried to get too.
it was incredible. It was somebody explained this to me that was out of this world that I didn't get, speaking culinary wise, that they said it was like a chiclet, because when you bite into it,
It's sticky.
It's sticky, yeah. And I'm like, I didn't, but that stuff just stuck to my heart, because that made the grill so much more exciting, because when I bit into it, the flavor was there, everything was there, but it was like sticky and it was like gooey and the taste of pork.
Yeah.
So grill, please.
Grill, I said I have to do a grill burger. It's because people love grill. And anybody that's, who go to Haiti, who know about Haiti, we're known for our grill.
True.
And then the thing is, I said, you know what, why not make a grill burger? It's because, grill burger, everybody know beef burger, turkey burger, all the
Salmon
burgers.
burger, all the
Veggie
burgers.
burgers.
All veggie burgers, but what about my grill? Where they left my grill? So I have to bring my grill into the forefront. So okay, I say I'm gonna make a grill.
Was this comedian that talk about what's happened to the grill. When you said that, that's the sex in my head. It was hilarious.
So what happened to my grill? So I just get the best part of the pork, which is the pork shoulder for the grill, and then we get that. And I went to my butcher, so pretty much what they do for me, they put it in a mincer,
beautiful,
and
man.
they get the fat, the grill, it's about 50, 60 type of
cool.
a little bit of fat,
I love that.
So once you combine all those goodie right now and all those pork, those meat, and then so what happened is I'm going to create all those spices that make grill into the burger.
All right, I smelled this earlier. This make my brain sizzle. What is that?
That's a spice that I make. That's a wet spice. You come with a dry spice. I say, you know what? I'm going to make wet spice. So I make a wet spice. So what I did, I just get pretty much the same thing. Scotch bonnet in there, parsley in there, fresh thyme in there, onion in there, green peppers in there. So I just combine all those, fresh herbs. You get the garlic in there, everything combined. So what I did right now, so I just get a little bit of sour orange, which is the sour orange, which is, if you don't got sour orange for grill, it's not a grill.
Yes.
You gotta get sour,
So this is your version of apis.
Exactly.
That's
so you
classic.
get a little salt in there, which is I don't put a little bit because everything measured already. I put all my salt in there.
All right.
This is the proper amount. Garlic is the same thing.
I love it.
put my garlic in there.
I'm gonna start mixing that. That's cool.
And I put a little vinegar in there just to create that type of acidity from the burger itself.
All right.
And then we just mixed it up, all of them, just like that.
Cool.
So what I do, I don't use spoon and anything like that. I just use my hands.
Just use your hands. You know what? Let's go.
Let's
I just dive in. I just get into it, So once
We're gonna
you
throw a
get
little
into
bit of apis in here,
we're
right?
gonna put a little bit in there. Yeah.
All right.
That's
I
it.
got this. I got
all
this.
those pieces in there. Add to that.
Okay.
That's what it is.
So now, when you get that, so comparing the grill you're eating is the same thing you're gonna have transformed to the burger.
Ooh. All right.
Yes.
All right.
You see? So you're gonna get that, and then
And I'm gonna tell you, man, my heart starts pumping right now, thinking about when I'm gonna bite into this thing.
Oh man.
This
I'm
is it. This is it.
If you could
All right.
talk to a grill, I would have eaten that.
He said a tartar grill.
Hey, man.
All right.
Grill tartar.
Look pretty much. The meat itself is very.
That's beautiful.
Look at that. All those components, all those herb, all the spice, all the acidity make the meat fluff itself. So you will not have a consistency of the meat itself, like is a chewy or bitey. It's going to be soft, melt to your mouth. That's pretty much what all those ingredients, all those spices, bless that burger right
All right. So I talked about all this healthy stuff
Right.
earlier, but this fattiness,
It speaks to you.
it's sticking to all this.
No, that's a different fat name. That's a different fat.
That's a love fat.
That's a low fat. You know?
I can't wait to try that. So for me, right, as I'm going through my whole spread of what a spice is supposed to be like, because from my background, I love ippies,
Yes.
right? So ippies is something that's
Hint,
traditional for me. Hint, hint. So I wanted to create my own
Spice blend.
my own spice blend
Alright.
that tastes like ippies, that resembles the same thing but in a dry form. So I came up with something like this, right? So in this, it has all the ingredients that ippies has, which is the I call it the trinity of onions,
Yeah.
which is green onion, white onion, shallots, which I use, vinegar, a little bit of salt, a little bit of lemon juice, bell peppers, Scotch bonnet peppers.
Oh, yeah.
So I have that whole
yeah.
mix in this. So this is what my take of Ippi's dry seasoning is supposed to be like. So you guys try that and let me know what you think.
You know, one thing I've dealt with also in is making it with clove powder.
With clove powder.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So get that little jus of kick into
That
it.
jus off. Yeah, that jus off is something that's magical in all the stuff
Yeah.
that we use.
That's good.
Very good.
Yeah,
Wow.
Has all the elements.
Yeah, the aroma.
That's pretty cool.
Oh my God.
Rice is something that's widely used in Haiti, but pizza meat is by far my favorite thing. And dry pizza meat looks almost like couscous.
Yes.
So me, I call it the couscous of Haiti. Yeah,
Okay.
all right? So that's dry pizza meat. So in my spread of salads, right? I'm gonna use cooked pizza meat. I'm gonna use the avocado. I call these Caribbean avocado because
The big ones.
the big ones.
Yeah.
And this is you know, it's not anywhere in what house avocado looks like.
Yeah, the house avocado is a little smaller.
A little smaller,
darker
darker.
skin. Yeah.
And
Those
this
are
only
grown in
much
Florida
California.
too.
Right.
Yeah, those are grown in Florida too.
Grown
yeah.
in Florida, it's
Yeah.
cool, it's buttery, it's sweet, it has all the cool things. Heirloom tomatoes because it's a cool thing to use heirloom tomatoes. I want to also use pomegranate because pomegranate has all kinds of antioxidant. And again, for me,
And it's Haitian too.
and
Listen, we used to have that a lot back home, man.
that's
You
what a
know?
lot of people don't know, that pomegranate
Yeah,
it's,
we
it's
have it in-
widely grown
yeah.
in the Caribbean. So my watercress salad, I want to put a little bit of pizza meat in there, which is pretty cool. We'll throw some pomegranate in there, and also the heirloom tomatoes, just because heirloom tomatoes are pretty cool to work with. Different colors, so it makes
You
the
know,
salad
somebody did-
pretty.
Nice, colorful, you know, salad.
Yeah.
So this is my thing.
All right.
It's a beautiful salad.
Yeah,
Beautiful
man,
salad.
definitely.
Yeah.
I'm saying on this tip, which I have watercress, I have a pomegranate, I have avocado, I have tomatoes, and then I wanted to do something that's a little bit different from our culture, which is the coconut curry vinaigrette. So we mix all these things up,
Bro,
and then
we have a full meal though.
it's true.
Appetizer, salad,
Salad,
main course.
Yes,
Yeah,
the whole thing
yeah.
create them all.
True.
Right in
I
there.
couldn't say it better myself, man. So, bravo to all you guys. So this is it. So, chef, you cut it. Let me try a piece. All right, and then you guys let's dig in.
Let's dig in,
Yeah,
man.
let's
All right.
let's enjoy some of these things.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I'm gonna get this one.
This